Bubby. Hi, Bubba. Bubby. Hi, Bubby. Oh, Bubby boy. The little Bubby boy. My baby Bubby Bull Mastiff boy, huh? The little baby Bubby Bull Mastiff boy. You want this? You want the cookies, huh? Oh, you want the cookies, huh? Yeah? Okay, come here. Come here, Bubby. Come here, Bubby. Sit. Bubba. Hey, focus, mister. Bubba, sit. You're so not paying attention. Ready, sit. Yes, good boy. That's a good boy, huh? You still mad because I washed your face, huh? Where's your piggy? Here's your piggy. Steam close up. Okay, Bubba, down. That's a good boy. What a smart puppy, huh? Good boy. Oh, you're such a smart boy. Mom's gonna miss you. You're gonna leave me tomorrow, huh? You're gonna leave me. My last little baby, huh? Gonna be very sad, huh? I'm gonna miss you. Yes, I'm gonna miss my baby. Yes, I'm gonna miss my baby boy. Oh, he's such a sweet puppy, huh? Oh, such a sweet boy, huh? Oh, Mr. Cutie Face, huh? Mr. Cutie Face. What do you want, huh? What do you want? You want these cookies? You do? You like cookies, huh? You do? Oh, that's a good boy. He takes food so nice and gently. Hi, baby. That's so good. What a good puppy. He's a really, really good baby. You're such a good baby. Yes, you're going to have a nice family that loves you. Yeah. Yes. I'm going to miss you lots, huh? Look at the size of these paws. Monster-sized paws. I'm going to take my whole hand, huh? Look at monster-sized paws. Here we go. I mess with his ears all the time. Clean them out once a week. Clip his nails, which I'll do in a little while. I do that once a week, too. And even if they don't need it, just take a little bit off each time. And that way they get in the habit of you messing with their feet and their ears and everything. So that's something you really can be a real pain if they don't like it and you have to wrestle them when he's 140-something pounds. Next year at the same time, huh? Yes, you're going to be a big boy, aren't you? Huh? You're going to be a big boy like your dad. Yes, look at those gigantic paws, huh? Those are giant paws. Okay, you want to play with the... Come here. Bubby. Bubby. Oh, this is how I exercise the dogs. When I don't feel like running with them. Or you just like to play with it. Get it. Get that thing. Get that thing. Yes. Oh, good boy. You're a good boy. What a clososaurus, huh? What a cosy kid, huh? What a cosy kid. Oh, this is a good cosy kid. And it's a good practice thing, too, to say, give. Up. Give. Give. Excellent. What a good boy. What a good boy. Oh, such a good puppy. Oh, you are fast, huh? You're very fast. Give. Give. You stop. There you go. Oh, good boy. What a good puppy. Such a good puppy. Huh? Such a good puppy. Oh, you're pretty fast, aren't you, huh? Yes, you're pretty fast. You're a pretty fast boy. Bubba, get it, Bubba, get it. Yes, a good boy. Oh, good boy. Almost got it. Almost. Yay, Bubba, you got it. What a good boy, huh? What a good boy. Oh, it got away. Oh, no. Get it, Bubba, get it. Whoops. Chasing through the camera here. Get it, Bubba, get it, Bubba. Oh, if you want to know what this is, I bought it on eBay. It's just a horse crop. It works great because it's very flexible. And it's got a little handle on it. Kind of like fishing for a puppy, huh? Fishing for a puppy. And the fur, I think, is rabbit. I'm not sure. And and sheepskin on one side. Ready? Good boy. You got it. Good boy. Good boy. And then when you want to take something away from them, trade it for something else. Bubba, give. Good boy. But only give him the treat after he gives you the thing. Bubba, good boy. I know you want your thing back, don't you? Come here. Bubba. He's a good boy. Can you sit? Bubba. Bubba. No, you're not climbing over. Come on. Sit. No, get up, mister. Yes, that's a good boy. What a good boy. Oops, you dropped your cookie. Bubba. Bubba. Hey. Come here. Yes, you just got that in your brain and you can't let it go, can you? Huh? No, just can't let it go. Oh, boy, come here. Come here, kitty. Thank you. Nose prints on the lens. Ready? Down. Down. What a good boy. Good boy. What a handsome puppy, huh? She's so smart. What a smart puppy. Yes, you're so good. Nice face. The cookie hanging out. Oh, such a good boy. Yes. Oh, such a good boy. Yes, such a good puppy, kid. You're such a puppy, huh? Whoops.